Okay, so at this point, we're gonna use our toothpicks and we're gonna make sure that we keep those holes open for the hook screws. So you're gonna take a look where you set your marks, and you're just gonna kind of feel around there. Okay. So, if you have trouble finding where those holes are, just keep feeling with your toothpick and try and find the place. And you don't want to stick them in, you know, too tightly. You want to be able to pull them out after the paint dries. So just kind of put them in so that they stick up, so that they stand on their own, but that you're still able to pull them out kind of gently. Another thing you want to do, as you can see, there's going to be paint dripping on the side. You can take some of that paint and cover the areas that maybe the paint didn't go over yet. So some of the sides, you can see that there's still, you can see the wood, unpainted wood underneath. So you can take that paint and just, you know, with your hands, just kind of go over it lightly and cover those areas so that everything is covered and we have a nice seamless mask hanger. So let's see, let's go over the other side there, and that looks good. I'm gonna cover it a little bit over here. So at this point, this is kind of what it looks like here. Just to give you an idea, you can see that the sides are all covered. I don't want to tilt it too much because I kind of like the design I've got going on over here, but because you can see as I tilt it, the more the paint is going to run. So you can continue to play with that after you put the toothpicks in, and you can either leave it alone as is, or you could also, you know, use your stirring stick to kind of move the paint around if you'd like. You can also use the secret sauce again. Remember, every time, shake it, shake it, shake it. And you can use other tools too. You know, you can use a toothpick to make different designs as well. You can use your finger. You know, anything you want to do, it's all good. Then also, if you want to put a little bit more pizzazz, we can use that glitter that you had. So I'm going to take my gloves off right now in order to open the glitter bags. What you're going to do is take off the gloves, and now we have a bag of purple glitter and a bag of blue glitter. I think that the blue is gonna look good. I might change my mind. I might put a little bit of purple in there, but I'm gonna put the purple aside for now and use a little bit of the blue. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open the bag, okay? And a little bit goes a long way, so you wanna be careful with this. So from the bag, you can sprinkle the glitter on, just right over the paint. there's a big glob. See? Wasn't too careful there. And if that happens, that's okay, because we can go back and, well, we can use our other stirring stick, or you can put on your other gloves and you can kind of spread it around if you'd like. As you can see, it's still gonna keep on moving, keep on dripping off the side, so that glitter is still gonna be spreading, and it's gonna take at least 24 hours before you're gonna be able to pick it up again. So in that 24 hours, the paint is gonna keep spreading, it's gonna keep moving, it's gonna keep, you know, interacting with each other and make beautiful, unique designs and patterns. But as of this, you can leave it as is, or you can keep playing around. But right now, I'm happy with what I have, so I'm gonna leave it overnight, and then we'll go to the next step once the paint has dried.